Home Remedies presents
Effectively treat UTI with 1 tablespoon of these seeds. Urinary tract infection. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video I will share with you an amazing and effective recipe to cure UTI. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. The seeds we are going to use today is none other than basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds in Hindi. Basil seeds are recommended for those suffering from recurrent episodes of urinary tract infection. They are very useful for curing a bladder infection, being natural coolants, and with an ability to flush out toxins from kidneys. The antibacterial properties of basil seeds help us to fight against infection. Actually, the most common reason for urinary infection is less water intake, and basil seeds help us to maintain water intake. So very simply, you just have to add 1 tablespoon basil seeds in a water bottle filled with 1 liter of water and add honey or anything to give it a flavor you like. Consume this during the day. Within 2 to 3 days, your UTI will be gone for good.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.